So what's good, dudes and dudettes? My name is SREE here, and yes, thank you for the incredible love and care that you guys gave me on my last video. So new day, new topic. So today we are gonna take a look at iPhone SE in 2018, and let's get started. So talking about this phone, me personally, this is my all-day daily driver phone. Even though I have the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, I tend to lean towards it every day after using Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge and Moto E4 Plus for the 4-inch form factor. So form factor plays an important role. So if you don't like 4-inch, don't consider this phone. Just quit the video. But if you're one of guys like me who consider smartphone, this is a great option for you. So talking about camera, it's got 12 megapixel shooter which can go 4K, and it's got exact same sensor as the iPhone 6s, but there's a light drop on the aperture. So videography on this phone is good, but every time you switch between photos to videos, you'll see there's a big drop in aperture or the amount of light getting into this phone. So low light photography is good, but videography is down. So now talking about design. So you know, the iPhone SE or 5s is one of the best phone with best design. I love this phone. I personally have a huge crush on in this design, and it's got exact same design as the iPhone 5s, but with small refinements such as chamfer edges, matte finish. So in 2018, one of the biggest drawbacks of this phone is selfie camera. It's got 1.2 megapixel selfie, which is actually not pixels. If you know how to shoot good selfies with some light getting into it, the aperture is nice, everything is good, but you won't get that crispy feel. So performance wise, this phone is absolutely a killer still in 2018. It's got 2GB of RAM, Apple A9, and yes, you're not gonna get that crispy feeling or the snappy feeling mainly because of the iOS 11 and the clock speed issue. If you're ready to refurbish its battery, I think that's a good idea, but yes, the clock speed and the snappy speed, just trust me guys, you're gonna get nice speed out of this in gaming performance. Nice GPU is here, so performance wise, trust me, mark my words, just go for it. And next thing is about battery life. It's gonna get nice battery according to every iPhone. I say according to every iPhone. If you compare it to all other iPhone, you're gonna get nice battery life. It's gonna drive you a day. I'm a good badass performer, and I even get a full day of battery usage, which is nice. So bottom line at the end of this day, what do I think about this phone? This phone is perfectly for you if you love 4-inch form factor and ready to give up the selfie camera. Just grab this one. So that's pretty much it for this video. My name is SREE. Hopefully you like this video and hit that subscribe button. I'll be making content as usual and usual. SREE, peace.